Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev and today we are going to do Bhramari Pranayama on the chair. Let's start. So, find yourself comfortable. Your back, neck and spine is straight. Then close your ears with your thumb, eyes with your two fingers, index and middle, mouth gently with your ring and small finger. Inhale through the nose and exhale with humming sound. This is one round and we can do up to 5 times. 5 rounds. Inhale. After 5 rounds, bring the hands down. Keep your eyes closed and become aware of your breath. And for a moment, become aware how your mind feels, how concentrated you become. One focusedness comes. Gently open your eyes. So this is Bhramari Pranayama, which is very powerful pranayama if you have been stressed, been thinking a lot, and you are suffering with mental issues. Practicing this will quickly bring you back into the present moment, into the now, and will be helpful for one focusedness. So try Bhramari Pranayama, especially you can practice this pranayama right before your meditation, and after 5 to 10 Bhramari rounds you can continue meditating and that meditation will be powerful. So try it out and keep me updated how it's going and stay connected. Thank you very much for joining me at Yoga with Amit and I look forward to see you in my upcoming videos. Namaskar.